I want to make a video on making knives. Just know that I'm a plumber, and this is something I enjoy doing on my off time. It's that time of year again. It's cooled down enough to get out here and move some metal. I'm still a rookie at this, but it is fun. It's relaxing to watch this metal move and create something. So stick with me and watch a little bit on how I make a knife anyway. Throw it in this is a V4 Forge gas propane. You can get it offline. I didn't pay very much for it. Load the steel in there, let her heat up. Well, after I got done and it cooled down, this is what the overall looks like. And I learned how to hit that on the side of the corner of my anvil and kind of like cut it in two. Again, like I said, you know, I'm just learning. Still got a little slight curve in there, but all right, well, this is like my fourth one, I think. To me, it's getting a little bit better each time. So, all right. If you guys like the video or whatever, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know what I'm doing right or wrong. All right, see you guys on the next one.